Hey, this is Wendy of Wendy Sees. I would like to talk to you a little bit about how you can travel lighter and go a little greener. And one of the ways you can do that might be a way you've never heard of before. Um, I have in front of me a whole bunch of products that I'm going to just show you real quick. And if you didn't know they existed, here's the coolest thing you can do. Just go online, search for these products, and you'll find something very similar that works great. Lots of neat things that are biodegradable, that are very lightweight, things that just surprised me that they even existed. So if you didn't know they were out there, I can't wait to share these with you. These are Floss Picks. These are made of cornstarch, and so they don't leave that plastic that won't ever break down in our landfills. So this is a pretty cool product. Sticking with our teeth, this is a bamboo toothbrush. It also biodegrades just like wood would. And so I really like this. This happens to be this particular brand, and I've got some things at the end will show you more, but I really like that option of a biodegradable toothbrush. And then let's talk about toothpaste. You know, in your travel bag, you can't carry very much, and you can't carry things that are over a certain amount. Well, if these are toothpaste tablets, and what's cool about toothpaste tablets is that you don't have to worry about them being liquid. I really like this idea. So I can carry those instead of toothpaste and carry as many as I'd like. A lot of cotton swabs now have plastic here in the center. These do not. These have bamboo. And so as you're buying your cotton swabs, just make sure you're not buying the ones with the plastic in the center. Plastic never breaks down. Another thing that I think all of us have heard about are straws, straws, straws. There is no reason why any restaurant can't be using something like a paper straw. We used to use them, I'm telling my age, but we used to use them all the time. Let's just go back. So as you see plastic straws out in the marketplace, maybe mention to your favorite restaurant, hey, is there any way you could consider something that biodegrades better than plastic? Speaking of which, there's a lot of other things that we can reuse. Um, things like this. This is a great little kit that you can purchase. In the kit, it's your tools or your utensils for lunch and things. Then you just reuse them every day. It comes with a metal straw, but you've got all of your spoon, knife. There's a bamboo straw in this one. This is also something that's really cool. This is a plastic beeswax wrap, not plastic, a beeswax wrap that you could use to wrap up sandwiches and things instead of a plastic bag. These come in different sizes, shapes, colors. This one even has a little string that you wrap around the button here. Really cool, but great for sandwiches. All right, we're getting towards some of my favorite things. I absolutely love this product. I use Native. This is Native deodorant. It works like a push-up. If you remember the push-up pops we used to have as kids. Again, I'm probably telling you how old I am. But this is awesome. All of this is cardboard, biodegradable. It would fly well. It would travel well. It doesn't weigh that much. Love this product. These are bamboo Band-Aids. I really do get kind of disgusted by Band-Aids that are left, you know, at the swimming pool and in the sand. These are biodegradable Band-Aids, but they wear just great. I really like this product, and I keep these in our medicine cabinet. All right. So hard to decide what to show you next. This is a great product for the dishwasher. It's called Beyond, and it's just a dishwasher tablet. But here's what's cool. You put this whole thing, including the wrapper, into the dishwasher. And so what's cool about that is no waste. This is a biodegradable little bag, and it just washes right up, does a great job on the dishes. So you can look for, I just Googled green products, and I found these. This is one of my favorites, and you've probably seen it on commercials and other social media, but it's awesome. Those big jugs that we use for laundry detergent, what do you do with them afterwards? The only choice is to recycle them, and I bet they don't recycle well. They certainly, I can't think of too many good uses for reuse. Maybe some of you can send us some ideas if you know any. But this is called True Earth, and it is a little sheet, and you put it in the washing machine, and it actually is the washing powder, or the stuff you wash with. So what's cool is they've taken all the water out, and by taking the water out, it's lighter. This is 32 loads. 32 loads in this tiny little packet. Love these. And then the last product I want to show you, I bought these for my family for Christmas. Everybody got some. And I got a message back from Lindsay, and Lindsay said, "You saved my life with this product." She went diving at a more remote place, and they did not have shampoo and products like that. And so she used this bar. These are soap bars, or sorry, shampoo bars, that she could use this on her hair. And then here's what's cool. This can go on the airplane. It's no water again. So by taking water out of a lot of these products, they are greener and lighter and great for travel. So I think we've got reduce, reuse, recycle, and now maybe a new one, rediscover, some really cool products. So if there's something that you normally take on a trip and you'd like to find a product to replace it with, then Google green shampoo or something along those lines, and you will find products that are so much more friendly to the environment than probably the ones that you're using. For example, these biodegradable ink pens.